And the Bashment Girl Refix, featuring the mad white Jamaican. Big up Boyhouse Productions on the rhythm, you don't know. Edley Shine and the mad white Jamaican. Remix, Refix. Them up in the video, see? Edley Shine, start it off.
You have some gal will come a road and have them teeth and clothes, and still I throw them liquor word up into the video. Still them can't buy a drink the whole night dry throat, and them they think the general just can't promote. Big up my good ass gal them with them 9 to 5, because I something up to date, you know them must a try. Them have them hairstyle check, pay them manicure check, but them not take no check, cause only cash collect.
Walking on the video like me can see. The cup full of champagne, never thirsty. Yeah, I'm on Chanel and also Gucci, so muggle the night away. I don't think I can never call you matey. Your man I ring you selling, you have been waiting. The tightness, the grip is all it's taking to make him sing. You're my Bashment girl, and you are the white girl, you have the OC. You're my Bashment girl, so run where your skets and I should have the panty. You're my Bashment girl, when you touch the road, say every gal I envy. You're my Bashment girl, the looks and the shape, you know you have it plenty.
On the beat at well drop it, you find a gal with slack quick. Fling her to the curb, feed her ass with one drop kick. Close hard like plastic, call me white chocolate. Slap them all night, them have to fall man to stop it. 4 beers a nice chick, make the time like tick. Style give me cold, calling out man I feel sick. Don't need no dopey artist, me I write this. Cornmeal mix it up and stir it, am I right miss?
Walking on the video like me them see. Your cup full of champagne, never thirsty. You have on Chanel and also Gucci, so muggle the night away. I don't think I can never call you matey. Your man I ring you silly, you have been waiting. The tightness, the grip is all it's taking to make him sing. You're my Bashment girl, and you are the white girl, you have the old skin. You're my Bashment girl, so run where your skets and I should have the panty. You're my Bashment girl, when you touch the road, say every gal I envy. You're my Bashment girl, the looks and the shape, you know you have it plenty.
Yo, this is Edley Shine. I want everybody log on to the MySpace, www.myspace.com/Edley Shine, EDLEYSHINE. Big up to the mad white Jamaican, you don't know. Big up the whole YouTube squad. Big up the sexy Bashment girls them. Don't forget July the 26th, 2008. Club Sentence is the birthday bash, featuring Black China, One Draw, Cartel from Atlanta, and Slaughter G from Baltimore. You don't know. Do remember Foreign's Finest, the Street Mix Volume 1, the first solo material from Edley Shine, available for free 99. Me not say free, me say free 99 on the MySpace. Download it right now, you don't know. And you get the full 1000. Big up on yourself, see? Edley Shine.
They might ask me why I stay so. Come from a place.
Now the thing about this is, you know, you see Edley Shine, a lot of Jamaicans don't recognize the name Edley Shine, but as a matter of fact, y'all should recognize some of the tunes that this man have been on. He used to work at the Bunch Americans.
Yeah, picture me like 100 and something pounds smaller than this, and that was me back in the day.
I send you my love with a dozen roses. Make sure that she knows this.
From the bottom of my heart,
so you two sides